For centuries, the question of why men are unfaithful has sparked debate, heartbreak, and confusion. Is it an innate biological drive, a response to a troubled relationship, or something more complex? Welcome to ZenVibe Studio. Today, we're moving beyond the blame to explore the leading psychological hypotheses for male infidelity based on contemporary research and insights from evolutionary psychologists. To understand the why, we must first look at the data. Studies consistently show that men report higher rates of infidelity than women. According to a general social survey, about 20% of men admitted to sex outside marriage compared to 13% of women. But numbers only tell part of the story. The real insights come from understanding the motivations. Recent research has moved beyond simple explanations to identify three core drivers. A 2024 study in evolution and human behavior breaks down the most common reasons men give for their infidelity. The first and most common reason is relationship dissatisfaction. Approximately 30% of men in the study cited unhappiness in their relationship as their primary motivation. When a man feels emotionally disconnected, unappreciated, or chronically unhappy, he might perceive cheating as an escape or a way to find solace, even if only temporarily. One participant shared, "I was very unhappy in the relationship. I felt as if I had no other choice to get out." This highlights a crucial point. Men need to feel valued, appreciated, and connected to feel satisfied, just as much as women do. The second major driver is the pursuit of variety and sexual fulfillment. This is where a key psychological difference between the sexes often emerges. The same study found that 14% of men cheated due to unfulfilled sexual desires, a rate almost 5 times higher than that of women. This is closely tied to a desire for novelty. About 11% of men cited novelty seeking as a reason, double the rate for women. From an evolutionary standpoint, this is often explained as a subconscious, instinctual drive. Evolutionary psychology suggests that men may be biologically predisposed to seek multiple partners to increase their chances of reproductive success and genetic diversity. As one researcher notes, the hunter archetype isn't about justifying behavior, but about understanding deep-seated impulses that must be managed in a modern context. The third powerful motivator is a search for validation and ego reinforcement. Often rooted in personal insecurity, some men engage in affairs to feel more desirable or competent. A new conquest can provide a powerful, if temporary, illusion of being wanted and admired. This is especially true when men feel a lack of appreciation or attention in their primary relationship. As one expert explains, the affair offers the opportunity to receive admiration, approval, new attention, seeing themselves anew in someone else's eyes. But here is a crucial, often overlooked finding. Biology is not destiny. Modern research reveals that our personal psychology and relationship status dramatically shape our responses to temptation. A 2024 study suggests that how we react to infidelity, both as potential perpetrators and as partners, is shaped by more than just biological sex. Traits like psychological masculinity and sexual orientation play a significant role. Furthermore, our relationship status changes our perspective. Studies show that people in committed relationships report being more upset by a partner's infidelity than those who are not, suggesting that our to imagine the scenario vividly intensifies our emotional response to it. So what does this mean for relationships? The why is complex, but the path forward is about understanding. For the man, infidelity is often a flawed solution to a real problem, a cry for emotional connection, a misguided search for self-worth, or a surrender to impulse. For the partner, it is a profound betrayal of trust. The true challenge, then, is not to suppress deep-seated instincts, but to redirect them. It's about channeling the energy that might fuel infidelity into the pursuit of a deeper, more dynamic connection with one's partner. This requires fostering emotional intimacy, maintaining novelty within the relationship, and most importantly, committing to open communication about needs and dissatisfactions long before temptation arises. The takeaway is not to excuse, but to comprehend. Male infidelity is rarely about a single factor. It is a complex interplay of evolutionary impulses, individual psychology, and the quality of the relationship itself. True healing and prevention begin with understanding these profound motivations. It requires building a relationship where both partners feel seen, valued, and connected enough to face challenges together, rather than seeking escape. Thank you for watching ZenVibe Studio. Until next time, seek understanding.